departure. Yeah, my viewers, big old JetBlue them they call. It's a JetBlue flight, don't? It's a JetBlue moment.
Yo, Street U TV, yo, the Youth Them TV, Jonah Reid representing, yeah, in Darcy, Flash, and Passy. Modern vampires of the city, hunting blood, blood, blood.
Yeah, peeps, as you can see, out the way there you see it. Just a left from Queens, dropping at the airport, you know, at JFK, drop back in the Florida. So I one, clock in on the Orlando there. So, active, we out here, active, man. I don't know, the Bounty Killer show was a successful show. Tell them youth, they say, don't size up. You see me? What them feel like, don't size up. Yeah, man, a killer is a killer wherever he may be, man. Don't know, one Rodney Price, one Bounty Killer, one Basil. You see me? Yeah, man. I just want to tell them, say, a whole heap of respect to the people that will turn out to support the killer over the years. Them saying can't sell out Barclays. You see me? And him did do it. I mean, I hear say I threw my father up on the show. And I threw Octane up on the show. And I threw Dexter up on the show. You see me? And I threw Idona up on the show. I don't want to hear none of them sitting there. Richie Stevens up on the show. I don't want to hear none of them something there. You see me? Because number one, them say the ticket them now sell. And a whole heap of ticket left to sell. You see me? Hundreds of ticket left to sell. That are the talk, you know. My youth,
How can I help you?
I don't know what time it is. Now talk to you, man. You ask me question, I'm not talk to you about how you can help me. You can't help me. Yeah, peeps. So me I tell you no, sir. One Bounty Killer, one Ground Godzilla, one Rodney Price, one Warlord. The show shot where, the show slap where. Yeah, Barclays not good, me say. Yeah, I don't need to know, I should have did it. I don't want to see the interaction outside with the crowd in a frenzy. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. As me I tell you, say, they run out of Queens here now. Yeah, catch an early flight and drop back in the Florida, you see it? Yeah, man. Can't say I'm an artist and not turn out. You're mad? And I'm an artist if you can't. If you the artist there, so, and you not show up. And I'm an artist. What you feel like, man? So me there in a Uber right now. Yeah, killer. Nice performance. Big performance. Top of the line performance. Your bookings turn up again. Promoter boy and girl and talk to the killer good. Yeah. Bookings turn up. That you know if you know. That is it. Yeah. So, blogger boy and blogger girl, put some respect on the man name. Me telling you that. Put some respect on the man name. I go on like the man and I know artist. And him a two artists. Some artists when me see you know boots up and they say, I don't know, killer pulling power, man. And again, let me tell you this. Me no want hear no change in the mouth again and they say, I show a New York and him all time people then come out and they go say that. I mean no. I show a New York and him all time people then come out and he can't go nowhere else go do it. And I'm not good for that. No. No haters. You see me? No good for all of them something there, so me I put it to no for now see that and they go say. It no spell no sense. You see me? Yeah. Yeah man. Killer thing no normal. For a long time. Even down a yard. So tell Jamaica people them say, yo, the man thing. Not true him did at the party we don't know. We don't feel saying local. Him did it every day we don't know on the ground. We don't feel say, yo, a local artist. No go easy man. Go easy. Big artist. Yeah man. So all of the artists them will turn out and perform. Good performance. See me? Yeah. So people, killer is back. Them get a killer attack. Yeah. Man, thing not normal, bro. Thing not normal, not even for a minute. From the minute the man touches stage, he shell. Yeah. From the minute the man touches stage, he shell. Just box you like a box food. You see me? Yo. And when the man come back on the stage, I give them a little piece of rapping. Them go plug out the mic and say, yo, I hate that, you know, because the killer work for over an hour, you know. Don't forget that, you know. The killer work for over an hour. And normally, everybody want to know what make the show run so long. Because when you go in a Barclays, you know, at 3 hours you come out, you know. You see me? The show start. Let me see what time the show start. 10, 11, 12, 1:30. Sure. Not 10 start. Probably 9:30 show start. Somewhere after this. But it was a successful show, bro. Cock. The show cock. You know, want to see the crowd all when the show done. When the killer perform and they say I hit that. And big up the people them and rare, blah, blah. The crowd still stand up. Now move. You see me? Yeah. The man have to turn back and give them piece of rapping and dust off in rap suit and say, yo, let me see. Long time I rap, you know. Dust off my rap suit. Yeah. So Skluba, big up yourself. Represent. Yeah. Freestyle Orient. I don't know if me I pronounce it good. The youth there. Yeah man. I like your style. You like your style because some boy there try to size up on the killer thing and you make them know straight. Say, yo, watch you know. This is it, and that is it. Uno no size up. Uno feel wise up. And start making a bag of nice up. You see me? Yeah, man. When I gonna figure out, say, I the killer at the gully, and I the killer at the Gaza, and I the killer Billy Plaza. What the nice for? Man, of the America for 15 years, bro. And him run out. And I want to tell you, sir, I know 15 years, I come on New York, yeah, man. 15 years, I come on New York, Yeah. Somewhere around this. Yeah, but at 15 years, I come on New York, to be exact. Yeah, so. As you can see, we are dropping at the airport, anytime. Yeah. Up on the road to the airport, close by. That I go on, and what I go on. Yeah, pa. Love is sure. People them turn out on the ground. Up in a JFK Kennedy Airport, don't. So, peeps, you don't know, man. We have to vlog them out there because we don't just run come on New York and go to the show and rare. We have to run up and down and do a few vlogs, you see me? So, we did there Manhattan, what them call Gallatin, and couple places we go, man. We go to the Bronx, do some vlogging at the Bronx. We do some vlogging at the Manhattan area. Love the Manhattan area, Manhattan. Big and pretty as usual. Nothing not change. Yeah, it change. I only upgrade. You see me? Yeah. And we're going to the Brooklyn, where Jamaican Avenue, what them call Jamaica. Deeps. You come on New York and go to Jamaica Avenue is a whole different ball game. You see me? Jamaica is like a Jamaica with them own hospital. Jamaica Hospital. You go there, you see Jamaica Ambulance, every building mark Jamaica, Jamaica Street, and the whole of that they stretch there, every stop sign, a Jamaica stop sign. No stop sign. They sign them, the signboard them. You see me? But yeah, man, the place. Yeah. Only for vlogging me have to push up on content like crazy. You see me? Terminal 5 and 7 that. Yeah. You go a Flatbush. Yeah. And you know say a Queens me stay. I know King. Yeah. Only a place we go, man. Only a place. From the train to the dollar bus. From the dollar bus to the train. We are all over the place. Yeah. Departure. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Up to the time. Down there saw arrival. Up there saw departure. Yep. I don't know. They're in the airport, as you can see. Big old JetBlue, them they call it. It's a JetBlue flight, don't. It's a JetBlue moment. It's a JetBlue moment. Only for work I go on a JFK though. Construction all over.
Drop off bread.
What are the people there? What are the people that talk to them? Coolie boy, you did that so? Hop out anytime, you know. Oh, shit. Bless up yourself, you know, man. Yeah, Uber driver. Yeah. So people just done there with the boarding pass. Boarding pass. That's it. So you have to come on there. And then, yeah. Oh, over there, that's it. What you want, John? Legendary, 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 legendary. What them a talk about, man, done that already. Legendary, legendary. You hear them a talk about that now necessary. Babes, right now we're about to touch down. Florida with there right now. Still in the air. That is it. Oh.
It is not safe to be up and about the cabin. Please be seated with the seatbelts fastened.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, babes, we're about to touch down back in Florida, you know. Hit this. Long way. Yeah. Just touch down in the airline. Just touch down and we will find. Thank you, Father God. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for traveling mercy. Thank you, Lord. Keep us safe and secure. Blessed be the name of the counsel of the Almighty, ever living, ever sure, ever faithful. Thank you, Jah. Touch down in one piece. Blessed.
JetBlue welcome you to Orlando. Local time is 10:50 a.m. For your safety, please keep buckled up and keep taking carry-on items with avoidance of the captain and turn off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bin as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says pay by gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane post-race for night season until after we arrive at the gate, so we may better assist you. For information on connected flights and baggage claim, you may check our form monitors and download our free JetBlue mobile app. Hope you enjoy the JetBlue experience, and we have followers here at JetBlue, especially this Orlando-based crew. Thanks again for choosing us. We are living from the Orlando area. We'd like to be the first to say welcome home.
Also, one more thing, ladies and gentlemen, since we were in turbulence and I couldn't get through the whole cabin with the JetBlue credit card bookmarks, if you are interested in one, we will have them here at the front of the aircraft for you to take for either yourself, a friend, or a family member. With this bookmark, please make sure you scan that QR code, punch in that 5-digit code in order to get those 60,000 TrueBlue bonus points, or you can go to getmyjetbluecard.com for more information on that bookmark. So again, if you are interested in this promotion, we will have for you to take. Thanks again for flying with us today. We hope you enjoy the rest of your morning, and we can't wait to welcome you back on board real soon. Welcome, family, and welcome to Orlando.
That is it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, flight was a little rocky in the early, but God merciful and pull with you. See what I go on. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Like construction are going on all at the airport then. Just left construction at JFK. Come Orlando. Construction in full flight. In the airport. Like they might build more airstrip. Yeah, that is it, babes. That is it. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. Don't know. It was a safe flight, although it was that rocky and rugged in the early stage of lifting up and moving off. In the air for a little while, rugged like no patrol. You see me? Peer of ride like, you see me? Yeah, right, but it end up smooth. So, God is the greatest. Remember that.
Hi, Dad and I. Hi, Sis. Hi, Dad.
Carousel 50 for a check. Look at Carousel 50. That's Carousel 50. Have a good day.
That is it.
Hi, Bruce and glasses. What? And hi, Marty. Hi, Daddy. And hi, Mama. It's gonna take one day to
Yeah, that I go on and what I go on, just a roll out. Back of the plane, me did there, you see it. So, that I go on. Yes, sir. That is it. So just go and hold them out there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that something, yeah. Florida, Orlando. For the feed orange and mango. So the thing I go. Yeah. Yep. That is it.
Yeah, let me see what's and Daddy's
Oh, that I go on right now. Is this it? From airport to airport. I float, we are float. From airport to airport. Don't know. Yeah. So go up on the escalator, you know. See how they go on. Up there, up there, up there. Yeah, that is it, General. It's a traveling moment. That is it. Viewers and subscribers.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor of Plain Tire. If you're a resident, welcome home. If you're one of our nearly 70 million visitors, welcome to the city.
Yeah,